Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Baker here, and we are working on two-step equations with subtraction. So here's our problem. We have Joe has 36 seashells, which Joe has three less than three times Freddie. How many seashells does Freddie have? So let's start off by circling or boxing the last sentence in the problem that gives us a clue of what we need to figure out. So we have two people. So let's draw this. I'm a visual person, and I know many of us are. So here we have two people walking along the beach, and being here in San Diego, uh, many people are familiar with this. So we have a Freddie, we have Joe and Freddie. So Joe, we know, he collects 36. Let's put a little smile on Joe and a little smile on Freddie. And we know that Joe, well, good old Joe, has 36 seashells. Now, Freddie, we're not sure. And that's what we're looking for. So let's set up our equation. So we know that Joe has three less. So the word less is translating to subtraction. So three less than three times Freddie. So 3 times Freddie. So let's write that out. 3. And we're going to use the variable f to represent the number of seashells that Freddie has. So we have 3 less than 3 times Freddie seashells. And we know that's all equal to what Joe has, which happens to be 36. So this right here all represents the number of seashells that Joe has. So let's see what we have. We have 3f minus 3 equals 36. So from what we've learned previously, we know that the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So we're going to be adding something to both sides. And remember, using both sides because we need to make sure that the equation is balanced. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. And something awesome happens when we add 3 to both sides. This crosses out, cancels out, and then we're left with 3f on one side, and on the other side we have 36 plus 3 is 39. And then when we have 3 multiplied by f equals 39, so my inverse operation, this is our second step. That's why we call it two-step equations. So we have our second step, which is the inverse of multiplying. We're going to divide both sides by 3. Now again, 3 divided by 3 is 1, leaving us with just f on one side. And 39 divided by 3 happens to be 13. So let's see, let's plug that back into our original equation to make sure that it all checks out. So we have 3, original equation was 3f minus 3 equals 36. So let's put that, here's our original equation. And then when I substitute 13 in for f, let's see what that gives us. 3 times 13 is 39. And 39 take away 3 is 36. It does check out. That's all for today. Good luck.